Hey guys, so this is dress number 1. I got this dress from, it's Kappa Gala. I got it from Kappa Gala and it's from US and it's $99 dollars. I'm thinking I'm in US. I'm in the UK and it says it's, I'm trying to get it, the whatever it is out. Yeah, there we go. Right, it says Kappa Gala right there and I got it from £99. $99. Why am I saying pounds? Right, I'm in the UK, so I got it in the US for $99 and this is what it looks like. I just love it so much. I love it because of this. So with the sky I'm tying, and this is gold, so this is literally, it says on there gold and black. So with this gold I can wear something like this and wear my sandals and you know just go out. So I just love that it's not very long and it's like, I don't like wearing short dresses anyways, but this is going to be one of those ones once in a while. This is the back. This is what the back looks like. I love it so much. Right there. So yeah, this is dress number 1 and I'm gonna go to dress number 2. And dress number 2 should be this one. I love this one as well. I love it. It's like very shimmery and pretty dress. It's from Bestie Adams and it's size 10 as well. And I can't remember how much I got it. The receipt is out. Can't remember how much I got it again, but I will check and I'll put it down there to show you guys. I think it should be about $99 as well, or $100, or I think it should be more than that because I got literally 2 of it. And yeah, I think I'll be able to see the price tag now. It's out already, so I'm gonna check. I got a size 10 and size 12 in case if it doesn't fit, because when I saw this dress I was in love. I loved it so much. I'm like, you know what, I'm getting 2 of it, and it's literally because of the slit it has there that I love it. So I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear the size 10 or the 12 of it. This is 10, this is 12, so I'm gonna wear one of it and I'll show you guys this. So guys, this is this particular one. Who doesn't like this dress? I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and zip it all the way up and I'll show you what the back looks like as well. There you go. So I was able to, this is the this thing on it, Bestie Adams. This is it. This thing looks so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. I just love this dress. I love it so much. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So this is the size 10. So the size 12 will be a bit free, which, well, they're all, you know, elastic and yeah. Well, this is not too much revealing and I can wear something on it or something, a jacket on top, so it's not too revealing. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you dress number 3, and this dress is, I got this dress from, I think it's from Amazon and I've never worn it before. It still has a tag in here. Is it Amazon? Something like that. Cheek crease right there. So I've never tried it before. I'm gonna try it. It's in the size large. I'm gonna try it and I'll show you if it's worth it. So when I got this particular one, the model that was wearing the dress looks so it looks so beautiful on her, and I'm like, yes, I'm getting that dress. So I got it and Wait, I have to turn around and show you guys what the back looks like as well. And this is summer party dresses, yo. Like, I wish I could go for parties. It's so boring in this town, especially now that things like this are happening. Like, nobody's going outside. All the whole parties are cancelled. I had a big party that was supposed to come up. Sammy Amiobi, he's doing a wedding and I was invited, and oh my goodness, I'm like, girl, I'm gonna get myself that or the second dress that I tried on. That was what I was gonna wear to the wedding, but the wedding's been cancelled. So here, this is this one, and it's a very simple dress which I love. And yeah, you can just wear well, you can wear anything with this, sandals or just a cover shoe with it, and it will be good to go. Just, you know, this stomach, I'm gonna work on it. I have to work on my stomach, guys. It's really killing me. I'm just eating like I just keep consuming food. Look at that. I love this dress. When I got it initially, I didn't really like it like that because of the color, but I think as time goes on now, I'm beginning to love it. It's beautiful. Right, I'm gonna show you dress number 4. Yeah, this dress that I love so much. I got it from Graphics and it's so pretty. I just love it. Like, the shimmer is killing, girl. When you walk out in sun and people are looking at you, it's like, I'm the owner of this world, but no, I'm not. This is it. This is it. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm gonna wear it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god. Come on. Let me put it in order. Come on. This stomach me gone. It needs to be. Ooh, look at that. Obviously, I'm gonna wear something tight in there. And this stomach, you need to disappear, you know. Look at that, girls. Or maybe I'll wear a kid if I'm not able to walk my stomach before wearing this dress. Look at that. I can't even dance to save myself. Right, this is it, and I love it. I love it. It's so free. Look, it's so comfy. It's so free. You know, you can walk. But the thing is that I think you're gonna have to wear like a proper tight or pants inside to hug you, so that when you're walking, obviously you're not causing trouble at the back. Do you know what I mean? Because like it's like a very comfy kind of cloth, and when you're walking, your bum will be bouncing. You don't want to be attracting attention from the back. Right, so this is it, and I'm gonna be showing you another one that I got from Angric, and is in size large as well. And this dress, I have not tried it on, as you can tell, and I'm gonna wear it. Oh yeah. Yes, so this one is beautiful. Okay, I remember I tried this dress when I got it. I didn't like it, so I was like, what the hell, I'm not wearing that. So I went to dump it somewhere, but now I think, yeah, I think it needs a little bit of alteration right there and there. If not, it's good, you know. Look, it's comfy. It's just very free and, you know, comfy. So obviously you're gonna have to hide that. You're gonna have to hide that. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty. Yeah, I like it. I love it. So this is going to be dress number 7, I think. That one right there. And I'm gonna try it out and I'll be back. I've literally worn this one once. It's from Oasis and it's in size 10, and I wore it once for my nephew's party, I think, and I love it as well. Look at it, it's just so pretty. I got it from Oasis. Can't remember how much I got it because it was about middle of summer last year, thereabouts. So I'm gonna try it out and I'll be back. The dress, it's pretty. I like it because it's very, you know, fashionable. Like, it's like very free, I would say. I love free dresses, even though they are tight, but let it be like very comfy on you, if that makes sense. I really like it. I just love the feeling that, okay, I'm trying to zip this thing up, but it's a bit like I can't reach it. So this is what the dress looks like. It still looks good whether I zip it up or not. Right there. So yeah, after party. Right, so it's going to be look, I'm getting excited and I'm thinking it's party time. It's not party time because right there things are happening. You can't even go for a party. This is killing. You can't go for a party. This is so pretty. Yeah, I love it. At least this one is hidden, like it hides my stomach. Like, you can't see the stomach from here, you know what I mean? Like, right, literally from there you can't see the stomach. So yeah, I love it. So I've got 2 more dresses to try, but I think I'm tired. Are you tired? Right, I've got that dress right here, and I got this dress from Fabric. What do you call it again? I can't remember where I got it, but I'm not going to be trying them on because you know why? I didn't want to mess my hair up. It's kind of a vintage kind of dress, and it has like a belt by the side where you can obviously remove and tie it around your waist. It's like a vintage dress. It hasn't got a, I don't want to mess it up because of my makeup, because obviously trying to force that down my face is going to take all the whole makeup. But this is what it looks like apparently. It's like all these vintage kind of dresses, and it's very comfy. I think I'm going to kind of insert the picture of where I wore it once. This is like literally the first time I'm wearing it, so I'm going to insert that picture somewhere up there. And the last but not the least is this dress that I love. It's from Tease Me, and it's in size 9. Obviously I think it should be a little bit tight on me right now because I got it about last year. Tease Me, and this is it. It's just a very pretty dress like that has this it's like kind of gathers at the front of it, so it looks like this inside. So when you wear it, it stays like this. This is how it is. This is exactly how it looks like on me when I wear it. I love it. I wore it on my birthday last 2 years, and is it last 2 years or last year, thereabout? I think so. And this is it. I love the dress. I can't get, like, you know, anything floral dress. I love floral. I don't know if you've noticed, like most of my dresses are really floral dresses. I love flowers so much. When it's like multicolors on a dress, I love them. So guys, that's literally all today. I have come to the end of this show right there. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next other video. Thank you very much, and let me know down there in the comment section which one you love most and which one you think I should wear for that party. I'm thinking I should wear that long one with the slit, the one that is 2. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll be happy to obviously slay it, like slay it, like slay it, like slay it, like slay it, oh, like slay. Okay, y'all know that I'm crazy, right? Okay, you know what I mean? Like, okay, so on a serious note, like, comment, share, and please comment down below. What do you guys think? And I'll be happy to see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you and bye.